Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever get to the end of the month, look at your bank account and wonder, where did all my money go? It feels like you're working hard, but somehow your finances are just slipping through your fingers. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today we're going to break down how to manage your home expenses like a true pro, so you can stop stressing and start taking control of your financial future. It's not about making drastic sacrifices. It's about being smarter with your money. First things first, you can't manage what you don't measure. The first step is to get a crystal clear picture of where your money is actually going. For 1 month, track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every grocery run. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or one of the many great budgeting apps out there like Mint or YNAB. This might feel a bit tedious at first, but trust me, this step is a game changer. You'll likely be surprised by what you find. Those small, seemingly insignificant purchases can really add up over time. This isn't about judging yourself. It's about gathering data. Once you have a month's worth of data, it's time to create a budget. Now, the word budget can sound restrictive, but I want you to think of it as a spending plan. It's you telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. A great method to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs. Things like your mortgage or rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes towards your wants. This is the fun stuff like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. The remaining 20% goes straight into savings and paying off debt. This framework is flexible, so you can adjust the percentages to fit your personal goals and lifestyle. Now let's talk about cutting costs without cutting out your happiness. Look at your needs category first. Are you overpaying for utilities or insurance? Take an hour to call your providers and ask for a better rate or shop around for new quotes. You'd be amazed at how often you can find a better deal just by asking. For groceries, plan your meals for the week, make a list, and stick to it. This simple habit helps you avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste. Next, look at your wants. Are there subscriptions you're not using? Cancel them. Instead of buying coffee every day, invest in a nice coffee maker for your home. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. Finally, the most powerful step, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Even if you start with a small amount, like $25 or $50, the key is consistency. When the money is moved automatically, you learn to live without it, and your savings grow, without you even having to think about it. This is how you build an emergency fund, save for a down payment or plan for retirement. It's paying yourself first, and it's the ultimate pro move for financial health. Managing your home expenses is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you feel more empowered and in control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. What's your best tip for managing home expenses? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.